How to log in on Indeed job search. If you'd like to log in on the Indeed job search app, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. First of all, launch the Indeed job search application. If you have not yet created an account, you can tap on the create account button. But if you have already created, you can tap the sign in button. Now, of course, you can choose to sign in with your Apple ID or Google ID if you already have an account on Indeed. Or if you have an independent email address, you can go ahead and just type in your email address over here instead. And once you've done that, you'll be able to go ahead and then make sure to log into your account by either sending a verification code or by either typing in your password. So go ahead and then just type in your email address in this case. And after you've done that, if your credentials are correct, you'll be successfully and easily logged in to your Indeed job search account. And that way you'll be able to log into Indeed job search. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.